I think they got scared from me. They came on the date and I disturbed them. So basically, this is the port of the La Mer area in Dubai, very near to La Mer. Stunning views, and you can easily explore this place by walking to and with the cycle and everything. And so this is the village of Port De La Mer. So very good village. People are currently living here. This is a signboard, Port De La Mer, La Scene. I don't know why La Scene, but it's Port De La Mer. I don't try to go inside this apartment or the villas. I'm not sure if I can go inside. This is another signboard, Port De La Mer. This is another signboard, Port De La Mer. I think I can go inside from here if I try. If no security guard will stop me, then I can go from here. Let's see. But security guard says, then I will go back, no problem. So this is Port De La Mer, new place. They recently opened. The mostly new places is linked to the marine areas. Yeah, mostly are marine, beach and seas. Always they are making a place like this. This is Port De La Mer area. Other side also this apartments here, and people actually living here also, I think. This kind of places like a lot of area, bridges, small fountains. If you see me, maybe he will stop. If you not see me, I can go through. This is how it's work here. If you find a security guard, then he will tell you to go, not allow you. So they didn't find any security guard, then you can do whatever you want. If he's not stopping, it means it's allowed to ride the bike in this area. This Port De La Mer. There are beach, nice flower, I think. Still work is going on. I will make video from the club. It's still under construction, it's not that big. It's a huge club. I think for people, the tourists who's coming here. Basically, this is the main view of this place. So this is the main. You see, they make it really beautiful, and it looks like a canal, and it's directly coming from the sea. And on the back side is sea. If you see this side, you see side is sea. This is whole sea. You can see sea. Yeah. So it's coming directly from the sea, and on my right side is apartments. So this left side is a different area. But I'm not sure which area is this. Mer area, but then you see the stunning view. Very good view. The canal, beach view, and also Burj Khalifa you can see. Currently there is humidity, so you cannot see clearly all the buildings. But when the weather is clear, then you can see a lot of buildings from here. So this is also the place you have to visit. If you come into this Jumeirah side, you can come and visit this place. I prefer you come in winter because summer, this place is not for the summer. Really hot. Yeah. See this all stunning view of the beaches. It's finished. So this is basically the new place of the Port of La Mer. If you're coming here, you should visit this place, and very good place. Welcome. This is open, but I don't know. I don't think I can go out from the other side. It's mostly residency area. You see residency, and there is beach. Residency and the beach. So I think it's closed from the other side. Let's see. If it's closed, then I will come back. If it's open, I can go through. So this is mainly the Port of De La Mer. They opened a new place for the residency. They attract the investor to purchase the property with the millions amount, and when they buy the property, they should stay also. When they stay, they will do business. If they do business, they will bring more people, more money. So this all economy cycle they are running. I think this is open or closed, I don't know. Open is closed. Forward. Excellent. So this is the place. The both thing is open. Basically, it should open by the card, from the card, but I think some security guard left it open because he wants to come here or something like that. So this is the end of the La Mer. This is the place where we came from. This is one of the hotel. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, I can forget sponsor.